exercise 4.1. I have taken from fourth bit. First problem or third problem I have taken. Simplify and write the reasons, reasonable reasons. That is, what is the reason we have applied here, or the properties. Just you can see, once again you have to remember 2 to the power of minus 1 or 2 raised to the power minus 1. This is multiplicative inverse. Here also multiplicative inverse, because negative integers, negative exponents. So we can write this one 1 by 2. This we can write as 1 by 3. This we can write as 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. So by using the multiplicative inverse, a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m, only one time. So I have not, instead of, either you may write 1 or you have not write it 1 also, it is correct. So you can write it 1 also, or you didn't have to write 1 also. So here it is 2, you have to put 2. It is 3, you can write as 3. Example, it is 4, you can write as 4. But only 1 is there, no? So just I have written here simply the multiplicative inverse. Now you see, 1 by only 1 time 2. If it is 2 times, you have to 4. Only 1 time 1 by 3. Only 1 time 1 by 4. Only 1 time 3 by, it is the 3 by 4. 3 by 4 already given in the problem. So just you can see here, if you want, you can multiply the numerators different or denominator also in separate, or we can cancel it also. Just you can see here, numerator 3 is there, in the denominator also 3 is there. So I have cancelled here. The numerator and denominator have the same factor, same numbers. Next we have remaining numbers. You see 1 by 2 into 4. Again 4 is there, so because it is 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja. So 1 by 4. Apply here the properties also. Without using properties also we can simplify here. So by using properties we can simplify here. I will show you. First one is, again I am writing here 2 inverse into 4 inverse into 4 inverse, because I will show you 2 types. 2 inverse into 2 square whole to the power of minus 1, again a to the power of m whole to the power of n. Here also 2 to the power of 2 whole to the power of minus 1. So here 2 to the power of minus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 1 ja 2 minus 2. Here also 2 to the power of minus 2. So a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. You see, first property we have used in this problem. So 2 power minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. So 2 power minus 5. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. 2 power minus 5 means 1 by 2 power 5, multiplicative inverse. 1 by 2 power 5. The value also we can find it. 2 5 times means 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 16, 16 2 ja 32, 1 by 32 also we can write here the value. But only here simplified, only asked. So like this. Or I will show in another method from this. This is one method, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. I will show you another method also. Same problems, another method, without using properties. You see, 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1, 2 4 ja 8 4 ja 32. That is equal to 1 by 2 power 5. Because 32, 5 times 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32, 5 times we can get 1 by the 2 4 ja 8, or 4 4 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 1 by 2 power 5. So by using properties also we can simplify. Without simplifying properties also we can simplify the answer. So this is another one taken I have from exercise. So one more problem I will take from exercise. You see another one problem, that is also already we have completed this type of problems. Just I am writing the simplification from exercise also only. So one more problem I am taking from 7th problem. So 7th problem you see here, 2 to the power of minus 3. 2 to the power of minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 power x. Here find the value of x. So 2 to the power of minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 to the power of x. Find the value of x. So here we want to find the value of x means here the again negative integer, negative exponent. So we will write the multiplicative inverse. So 2 to the power of minus 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2 power 3. That is equal to 1 by 2 power x. So 1 by 2 power 3, 1 by 2 power x. I will show you again in two types. I will show here. You see 1 by 2 power 3, 1 by 2 power x means you can write like this also. Like this also you can write. Like this also you can write. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 in both cases the base is same. So the exponents are equal. X is equal to 3. Like this we can simplify the answer. We can find the value of x. And another one more method. Another same problem. I will show you in another method. You see here 2 power minus 3 is equals to, I am writing the multiplicative inverse 2 power minus x. So like this also we can simplify. So 2 in both cases 2 is same. So minus 3 is equal to minus x. In both left and right it has a negative symbol. So I am cancelling the negative symbol. Therefore x is equals to 3. So some problems we can do in 2 or 3 methods also we can complete. We can do or we can solve. So one last I will take one more problem from exercise 4.1. So here also you see, here also it is the simplification. 4 by 7 whole to the power of minus 5. 4 by 7 whole to the power of minus 5 into 4 by 7 whole to the power of minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 4. This is the problem number 10. Here also we have to simplify and write the reason. Here is 4 by 7 and 7 by 4. Write the reason also. So again you see the problem here. 4 by 7 minus 5, it is the negative. So multiplicative inverse we can write as 1 by 4 by 7 whole to the power of 5. Because it is the multiplicative inverse into 1 by 7 by 4 whole to the power of 4. We can write like this. So 1 by 4 to the power of 5 by 7 to the power of 5 means 4 is 5 times and 7 is also 5 times. So 4 by 4 power 5 by 7 power 5 into 1 by 7 power 4 by 4 power 4. Again we can write as the inverse. You see 7 by power 5 by 4 power 5 into 4 power 4 by 7 power 4. 1 by this P by Q form also I have written as inverse form. So inverse form means 7 power 5 by 4 power 5 or 4 to the power of 4 or 4 raised to the power of 4 by 7 raised to the power of 4. So here we have used some properties again. Multiplicative inverse we have used and in general inverse also we used here. So 7 5 times, 7 4 times. You see I am writing here 7 power 5. So 7 power 5 by 7 power 4 into same factors I am writing together 4 power 4 by 4 power 5. So you see here we have written this property a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. We can write here the since a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So here 7 power 5 minus 4 into 4 power 4 by 4 power 5. So 4 power 4 minus 5. So 7 power 1 here. Here 4 power minus 1 because the negative. So 7 into only one time. 1 by 4 again. So the answer is 7 by 4. 7 1 ja 7. 7 5 minus 4 means 1. 4 minus 5 is more because the negative is more. Minus 1. So 7 is the positive exponent. It is the negative exponent. So I have written here the denominator because the multiplicative inverse. So 7 1 just 7 by 4. This is the simplification. This is the last problem from exercise 4.1. So you can do or you can practice all the problems from exercise 4.1 by using these properties. And next in next session we will go to the exercise 4.2.